Thank you for your interest in Sound Scribe. Sound Scribe is an iPad app designed to load local audio from the device, save notes for audio segments, and share notes with other users of the app. Select the Show Media button to present the media selector and select the desired media. Drag the playhead to the desired playtime. And select the Begin Note button to begin the audio segment, and the End Note button to end the audio segment. To play just the audio from the audio segment, select the Play Note button. To save a note, add a note in the Notes field, and select the Save button to save the note to the device. To show saved notes, select the Show Saved button, which will present all the saved notes for this application, and select to load. To share this notes with other users of the app, select the Email button. Within the body of the email are the details of this note. Copy the details of the note, and simply select Import to import the note. Thank you for your interest in SoundScribe, and please visit highscoreapps.com for more information.